basically I'm showing you the acrylic powders I use. I have two different colors, clear and pink. So those are the first two things you're going to need. You're going to need a set of nails, you're going to need a glue, you're going to need a brush on glue, you're going to need acetone for the developer, you're going to need a cup, and your just basic tools, nail file, clippers, scissors. So here I'm filing my nails down. You want to do this for the base, and then I'm going to show you me fitting the nails to my nail. And then right here I'm gluing the nail to the tip of my natural nail, and you can see that. So now I'm clipping off any sides that are too long for my natural nail so that it's easier to file. And then I'm clipping each nail to the desired length that I want. You would do it to whatever length you want. So right here I'm filing my nail. You're just going to want to choose the shape that you prefer. I always choose coffin. So here's a filed nail versus an unfiled nail. And then all of my nails are done and they're filed. So next I'm going to take my nail file and just make the fake nail flat so that it meets my real nail better. And then I'm going to take the brush on glue and I'm just going to coat the nail in the glue. And then you're going to want to dip your entire nail into the dip powder. So you're going to want to shake the nail off so you get any excess powder off, and that's the nail with one coat of dip powder. So I did all of my nails, and next you're going to want to put every nail into the activator after already doing the dip powder. So I repeat this step 3 times. So I dip my nails 3 times. That's the thickness I like. So here's me filing my nails because I've already dipped them 3 times. I didn't show you guys because I just figured it's the same thing, you just redo it. So here is my nail filed now. And they're all done and filed, and that's after 3 coats of the dip powder. So I'm showing you that I just put a clear glitter over my nails. I just did something simple.